Hello, everyone. This is Alex, Canadian CEO from Swing Trade Pros, the world's top trading bot community. And today I have the PSAR version 4 setup video. I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know to get your alerts firing, to get those profits coming in. All right. Well, let's start off with saying a huge thank you to everyone who's joined us for PSAR version 4. The response has been absolutely incredible. We've had so many signups, people signing up for years, subscription, 3-month subscriptions. It has been fantastic. And all the people leaving nice comments on my PSAR version 4 launch video, thank you so much. No, I'm not Jewish. I just like to wear hats. I have so many hats. You guys are going to see every video. There's going to be a new hat. Just watch out. I could go for days and weeks and months with a new hat every video. So just test me. All right, so let's start off with some motivation on PSAR version 4. And the way we motivate is with some profits. You guys know I like to share profits. Here was a record-setting day. All right, in one day, all right, Mass brought in $4,887. Tricky brought in $7,771. We got Dodgy here bringing in 3.1%. We got Guybrush 1, Geronimo 1.64%. Incredible profits. And you guys will get there too. You just need to be able to manage your risk, bring in those slow compounding profits, and you guys will see that you are going to just absolutely dominate those charts. Bring in those compounding profits, doubling your account every 1.5, 2, 3 months, okay, depending on your risk level. All right, we're going to get into all that today. So where do you start when you first buy PSAR version 4? Now, where you're going to start is on the Swing Trade Pros Discord channel. All right, and you're going to want to go to the PSAR Scalper Setup channel. Okay, very important. This is where all our most up-to-date material is, where you can go through our explanation tutorial videos like this one, our setup spreadsheet, all right? And you're going to be able to go through that material and get a good handle on everything we have going on with PSAR. So follow along with that page. All right, and Todd has made an incredible resource of that PSAR spreadsheet that I just mentioned, right? He's made PSAR description, you can see down here, right? He's gone through every single setting here, telling you what it does, okay? Each one, what the high RSI filtering does, cutting off overbought and oversold settings, okay? Trend verification, what the bullish and bearish divergence settings mean, okay? And he's gone through and made an incredible guide here with visualizations, with everything. All right, it's beautiful. So look at this guide, follow it along, and you guys will get a very good understanding of PSAR. Okay, we're not going to cover that all here because Todd has made this incredible resource. Dive down deep into this. I recommend it. All right, so when you first purchase PSAR, what you're going to want to do, create a new chart layout. We're going to want to name that chart. You can say rename PSAR version 4. It's going to save that. And now, since you purchased it, you'll be able to go to invite only scripts. And under STP Todd, you are going to see STP PSAR version 4 final. So that's the one you want to add. And now I do have a little secret. If you add signals as well, that'll come in handy. So just trust me on this one. Add signals. It'll be useful. All right, we're going to hide signals. And now we're on the 1 hour time frame. That's not going to work. We fire on the 1 minute time frame. This is a high frequency trading bot. All right. And now we're gonna zoom out a little bit so we can see what's going on We're going to go auto here. So it automatically resizes as we zoom out. Okay, so you get a nice handle. What we say for back testing, you just look left. You look in the past. See how those longs fire. Those longs are firing the lows, not getting trapped at the highs. That's what we're going for. Now we're starting with Bitcoin, BTC. So what you want to do is grab the settings from the SAR spreadsheet. So you're going to go down here, SAR bot version 4. You can see we've got the BTC settings here. All right, so 5 minutes 40, 6 minutes 20 is what we've got here, and a 5-minute time frame on the verification, by the way. So let's go 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5:40, 6:20. You'll be able to follow along with these and go at a slower pace, but this is, let's get this done and click OK. So now we've got longs firing at very safe positions here, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. And so now that we're happy with our alerts, the way that they're firing, we're not getting any late longs. We see how how we're doing in the dumps here. We're not getting caught in these dumps. Those get out without getting caught in this dump, right? You're just getting nice longs when price is moving up, right? You're not getting dumped in this fake out. So this is looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this, all right? So let's move on to creating our 3 commas bot. Now the easiest way to do this is actually to go on to the SAR signals page on the 3 commas marketplace. It's marketplace/200, but you can also find that link on the Discord in our setup guides. There's a number of places you can find that, or you can just search STP on the signals marketplace. So we already have BTC set up here. Easily done. You just click on that. And then you click copy. Now you get to this screen, you're just going to say ignore here. All right, and then you go edit settings. And then for your name, you want to know what this bot is doing. So you want BTC SAR long. Then I know exactly what that bot is doing, and we're doing longs. It is possible to do shorts right now, but guys, let's stick with longs for now. We're in a bull cycle, okay? We don't want to get short stuck, because if you're in a short and price jumps up over 100%, you're going to get wrecked. So keep it on longs for now, okay? I'm going to choose Binance Futures. Notice we have $3,611 on this account. All right, and now we're going to start off. If you're just starting with these bots, you want to have small position sizes. You don't want to have massive position sizes that are going to get you underwater. You want to test out these bots, see how they perform. Are they getting bagged up? Are they bringing in consistent results that you like? If they are getting consistent results and not getting bagged up, getting caught at tops, then you can add to those positions, bring it up to 2%, 2.5%, right? You can start to add on the risk. We call it adding on risk. But right now we want to start off very conservatively. And I know you're raring to go because you just got SAR, but start off slowly. Test this thing out, see how it goes. If it's doing well at 1%, it's going to do just as well when you add more to that position. But know that it's doing well before you add to that position. I can't emphasize that enough, guys. All right, so we are happy with those settings. We want to change start condition to TradingView custom signal because we're using the TradingView alerts here. So our take profit, we're using 0.15%. Okay, 0.1%, you can often get trailing fails where trailing will activate and then price will go below your entry and you'll get all your safety orders canceled. You don't want that because then you have to manually do your safety orders. Not fun. So a 0.15 does a good job. And then we have a trailing deviation of 0.02%. Just been very good setting for us. And here we go with our safety orders. Now I was describing dollar cost averaging. The idea is rather than cutting deals, rather than having a stop loss, you want to be able to average out of your position. So if price goes out against you, you're putting in orders as price goes against you. So you're bringing your entry level closer to where price is dipping down to, so that when price oscillates back up, then you are able to catch that oscillation back up, that little retrace. And even if price dumps down, it always has a little bit of a retrace. Okay, so that's what you want to be capturing here. Now this is my settings. We have a few different strategies for this you can find on the Discord, but my strategy here is 5 safety orders with an order step scale of 2 and an order volume scale of 2. Okay, this is called the martingale DCA technique. All right, and what you can do is you can click on table here and see exactly what's happening. All right, so we have our first safety order at 0.5% with $40. Okay, and then the next one 1.5% with $80, 3.5% $158, 7.5% with $300, and 15.5% with $624. And you can see you're using up $1,250 total, which gives you so much room on your account. If price goes down more than 15.5%, you can average out with manual safety orders with lots of confidence. I like to say, give yourself lots of ammunition. As my very, very good friend and client Slizzard says, you want to make sure you have lots of ammunition left. All right, shouts out to Slizzard. Okay, so right now we are averaging down to 15.5%. So we have drop protection down to 15.5%. And one thing you can do if you want to have a little bit more safety on your account, right? A little bit better ability to average out, you can do a 2.2. And sometimes that can help get your exit a little bit sooner, okay? But you notice, right, the total volume goes up to $1,722. So there's a bit more risk involved. You lose a little bit of that ammunition, but with these low starting take profits, small base orders, it's okay. All right, so with all this in place, we're going to create our bot because we're done. We're going to start that bot. Now you get this page here, which has got our bot ID up in the URL up there, and then also a nice little code here. You can just click on that and it will copy. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to create an alert. You're going to want to select PSAR version 4 as your start condition. Longs, we do once per bar close. Once per bar is going to give you random results within a candle body, so you don't want that. And then you're going to copy and paste that code you just got from the 3 commas. And then what I like to do, you put in an enter and you can do a comment. So what I do is I give myself a little bit of information on the bot I've set up and the settings. So here I'm going to go 5 minutes plus 5 minutes for our time frames. And then we have our divergence settings. So 5 minutes 40 and 6 plus 6 minutes 20. And then RSI less than 67. It's nice to have that on there too. All right, so that's it. We've created it. We have our bot ID in there. We go create. Done deal. All right. And now what you can do is you've got that one bot set up. Let's create another one. Let's just do that. You just go clone. You get in that new pair. We always use spot, by the way, never the futures pairings, because you'll get more signal noise on those. All right, let's get the ETH settings. So ETH is 5 minutes. So we have 15 minutes, 15 minutes on the 2 time frames. And then we have 540, 620 again. So we go 15 minutes, 15 minutes, and then these guys are good to go. All right, and we're looking here. These are good. All looking very nice. All right. Oh, I love those shorts there too. All right, so you do a little bit of that looking left to make sure you're not getting bagged up, getting some nice entries. All right. All right, so now that we're happy with that, you can see this still says BTC here. You're going to want to change that to ETH. So I have a little trick. You remember we added signals at the beginning. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down signals, save. You're going to go back. See, now it says ETH, right? Now you can go SAR version 4 long, okay? And now we can say ETH. This is 1515. But we have the BTC bot ID here. We need to make an ETH bot. See if I can select the right window here. Yep, we got it. Okay, let's do copy. So we've got let's edit settings. Getting ahead of myself here. All right, here we put in ETH SAR long. Select your pairing, ETH. We're going to keep all this the same. Nice small entries to start you guys off with, and you can move up to 2.5%. Once those bots start proving themselves, they don't get bagged up, they're giving good profits, then you start adding to those positions, okay? Not before. And six pairs is good, 8 pairs is a little bit more risky, 10 is very risky. So manage your risk, start off small, grow as your account grows and your confidence grows, and you see which bots are performing better and reward those bots. All right, so we're happy with all these settings. So we're gonna go create bot, start that bot. All right, and now we have the new bot ID. So you can go down here, you can say copy that. What I do is I just take this bot ID from up here. It's an easier copy and paste. And see, I already had that selected. Easy copy and paste. We're already done, okay? Done. We've got BTC, we've got ETH. You guys are already firing on 2 bots. Keep that going for another 6 bots to start out with. Once you get a bit more confidence, 8. Once you get a bit more confidence, 10. Move up that way, keeping those position sizes small until those pairs start proving themselves out. Please post your questions on the Discord channel. We've got so many people helping out on the SAR Scalper channel, okay? And all our mods are there to help. And special shout out to One Man Show. If you need help setting up your bot, One Man Show will do a coaching session with you. He is the expert at setting up new bots. He's going to help you. He's going to show you how to set up a bot. Then you can set up a bot yourself. So if you want more of a white glove experience, we have One Man Show to do that for you. All right. And for the more advanced guys, Todd and I have SAR VIP coming out where we're going to do group coaching sessions with you. And Todd and I also offer coaching sessions if you really want to dive in deep to SAR and really optimize. All right, so we are here for you guys. Post your profits in the Discord. I love to see how you guys are doing. All right, let's crush these charts together. Let's double our accounts together. And I look forward to everyone getting those 6-figure accounts, making those 1%, 2%, 6% a day and doubling your account. And I will see all of you on the Discord. Enjoy SAR version 4, everyone.